How to check Gemini AI usage limits. First, open Gemini in your web browser. On the left side of the screen, click the Settings gear icon, then select Usage Limits. This will open the Usage dashboard, where you can check your current Gemini usage and available limits. On this page, you can see your current usage, the remaining limit, and when your usage window will reset. Depending on your Gemini plan, you may also see a weekly usage limit, along with its next reset time. Keep in mind that more demanding features, such as deep research, extended thinking, and longer coding tasks, can use your available limits faster than regular prompts. So, before starting an important project, it's a good idea to check your Gemini usage limit and reset time first. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Gemini AI usage limits. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with others.